Samantha, thank you for loving me the way you do and for being such a great partner. I'm also very conscious that a happy wife means a happy life. I have a Mandarin saying that I would like to dedicate to you. Samantha, 和你在一起是我最喜欢的地方. Being together with you is my favorite place to be.
I don't think so. 还是他们颁奖的吧？
Within some days, I just need to knock on the door.
It's been you. It's always been you. 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 As we grow in age, and time has proven true.
In Chinese, there's a saying, 执子之手，与子偕老. In English, it translates, love you, hold your hand. We share the life together till the world ends. You will feel much at ease, and most challenges will become manageable and solved in an amicable way. When each member of the family feel valued and appreciated, the family will grow stronger. In Chinese, 有谓家和万事兴.
So, William and Samantha, please always remember that you don't marry the person that you can live with, but you marry someone that you cannot live without. Congratulations, tying the knot and wishing you both a beautiful, long, and happy marriage. 准备好了，对不对？ Ready? 1, 2.